Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get buffer-free streaming on Netflix, YouTube and Disney Plus. So what we're going to do is we will just check my internet speed, ensure a stable connection of at least 25 Mbps for 4K and 5 Mbps speed for HD streaming. So how we're going to be checked? So we will just tab on the left bottom corner option is the Ethernet setting and we will just get in. So right over here, I will be just tab on run an internet speed test. So it will be just move in this browser, and right over here, I will be just tab on it start the button, and I will just check the current speed test of my internet. So right over here, you will see it will be just close to like 12 Mbps and 13 Mbps. So in this way, you will just have to check your internet speed test and make sure you will just have a wide connection so you will be stable than Wi-Fi for streaming, and you will just also close the background apps and stop unnecessary downloads and VPNs and background programs that consume bandwidth. And you will just also, if your problem cannot be resolved, you will be just upgrade your router, use a dual band and mesh router for better coverage and speed. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.